Alright, take two. Yo, this is your boy Save from Save Production, and today we're going to be taking apart and painting this. It's a Lancer Tactical LT-12 M4 Gen 2 EVO AEG. So we're basically going to be painting it white, and hopefully it turns out all white. Okay, fine. Without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so anyways, I just want to say that I'm a simple man. I pay my taxes one arm and leg at a time. So yeah, this video is pretty simple. I took the gun apart, painted it, and then put it back together. It was a pain in the ass, but yeah. So yeah, it was pretty fun. I learned a lot of things. You gotta be patient. You gotta treat it like a lady. You know, you can't just spray all the way, expect it not to crack. You know, the metaphor kind of broke there, but so basically what I'm saying is don't overspray some parts because it will start cracking and then it'll start deforming, and then some paints will start like bubbling up, and you don't want that. So what I had to do was I took it apart, put it back together, and it turned out pretty good. Still some parts I wish I could have done better, but overall I like the final piece, and it's pretty good. But yeah, hope you guys, I'm looking that way because my gun's like over there. I'm just looking at the beautiful artwork. But yeah, hope you guys like my video again. Like and subscribe down below if you do. And I just kept it simple. So hope you guys like it. Love and peace.